Now let's get into the main components of our lesson plan. So we're talking about 3 steps here: presentation, practice, and production. Each one of them is very important to make sure that your students get out of the class feeling confident about learning what you taught them. So just let's make sure of something here. These are the steps. You can apply these steps through games, through activities, through any videos or anything fun inside the class. So we're not talking about specific techniques, we're talking about the steps. The first step here from these 3 components is a presentation. A presentation here is about you as a teacher and being, the person who's just going to give the information. Of course, you can involve your students here if you're following student-centered approach, as we talked about one of our teaching methods courses. Here the teacher talking time might be a little bit higher because you will be giving the information, especially if your students are beginners, and you will be, telling them after telling the objective and everything and doing the lead-in. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to teach one piece of content at a time. Some teachers, they just give the students everything at once and then they just wonder why they are not able to apply it. For example, if you are teaching the present continuous tense to the students, so what you need to do is divide this into small pieces. So for example, you need to make sure that your students learned how to use verb to be. So you're going to teach them verb to be first, especially if they haven't learned it before. But of course, if you're teaching present continuous, then they have touched upon the verb to be and the gerunds, for example. But let's just make sure that they remembered how to do this. So you're going to give them verb to be to make sure that they are aware of it and they learned it. And after that, you can make them practice and do production, as we're going to talk later on. And then you give them gerunds, and then do practice, and then do production, and then put them all together. And they are going to be the present continuous and teach them, by giving them different sentences. For example, I am playing, I'm cooking, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and everything, and make them get the rule out of it. Because, we're not going to ignore the rule because, some people, I know that they say it's traditional. However, there are so many people who like to get the rule out of grammar, especially people who have mathematical intelligence or logical intelligence, as we talked about it in one of our courses in multiple intelligence. So what you're going to do here is that you have just given them a lot of examples and you made them get the rule out of it, because in teaching grammar there's inductive and deductive approaches to teaching it, as we're going to talk later on in one of our courses. And after that, you can start by doing practice.